So we've now been awarded the project. We've ordered material. So now let's go to our labor. So it's time to schedule that project for installation. So on our quote, we can just go back to our order section over here. So we can go to the work order section and click on add. Then we can now create a work order. So you can now filter them by trade as well. So for this example, let's say we have an installer or subcontractor that's installing carpet and wall base. So we can select these two trades to only filter out those carpet and wall base products. So let me just select all of them. We can also exclude the pricing for our material products as needed. Like that. Let me click on OK. Similar to the purchase order, it will bring in all the products that I selected earlier with their quantity and pricing. What you just need to fill out here would just be your installer or subcontractor. So let's say, let me choose Mr. Austin as my installer and set a start date and end date for this schedule. So let me set it for today at, let's say, 10:30 and just end the same day at 4 p.m. So once we're happy with that, you can click on save. And now I already have this work order created. And you can also email this out to your to the relevant parties. And we can also manage the status of this document.